it's like dating. You know, if someone from bankruptcy law wants to join our group, they're going to join our group and they're going to talk with people that can possibly help their business. It's, you know, one hand washes the other. Everybody helps out everybody else. We're going to go to email, and we are going to write, your bio is completed. Love, Maria, since we're using my mom's computer stationery, so to speak. We're going to send it off to her. Put a little exclamation mark, make it exciting. Love, Maria. We're going to send it. Now she's ready to go. She's on our main site. This is what they pay for. They pay to be included. Click that off. Write down that we finished this lady here so we don't duplicate our work. Dolores Seawright. And I do 70 more of those, and I get $600, so it's not bad. It's easy work, it's tedious. Once you get it down, you can start going quicker. So let's see how I do with the next one. Let's go ahead and go back. And we'll go back again. We'll go to posts. We'll go to add new. And what we're doing is we're priming it to start another one all over again. We're putting flour on the table. We're getting ready to make some more dough here. So make sure you go to HTML because we're going to put in code. Go back. Get rid of unnecessaries. Leadership, we're going to go ahead and scroll up because we're done. I like to work like this. Let's just scroll it up. Let's see what this one is here. So we're going to go view. See what we've got here. This isn't anything. This is something my sister's working on. This isn't a individual's website, so we're going to move on from that. Here I've got a realtor. We're going to move past that as well. Let's go into, that's a draft, so we're going to leave that alone. I've got hypnotherapy, so this should be interesting. Let's view it. Martha Reed, PhD. Let's work on her site. First things first, let's highlight her title of what she's hawking, so to speak. We're going to go ahead and copy it. We're going to go ahead simply paste it. We've got visual. We've got ATMHL. We're going to go ahead and put in HTML code, which is ready to go. We're going to copy it. We're going to paste it. After that is completed, let's go back to visual because we need to work on the visual aspects of the site, starting with transferring her picture over to our new site. Click. Click back. Let's go ahead and copy the image. We'll go ahead and paste the image. Simple as that. We're going to go ahead and work on the image to make sure the parameters are appropriate and consistent with the other sites that I did. What we're looking for is advanced settings. 90%. We want to make sure that the width is 180. So let's try 90%, see what we come up with. Yes, sir, 180. CSS class. We would like to pick border. Pick hyphen border. We will update it once it's the right size, which it is. Let's update it. This industry is presented by Jane Doe. Before we do that, let's delete this. This is just filler. Flowers are beautiful in addition to any room, blah, blah, blah. This is just junk that WordPress puts in that needs to come out. We will delete it. We will inject what her hypnotherapy business is about. You know what, let's go ahead and make sure we have it all here. We're going to copy, simply paste, and there's that. This industry is represented by Jane Doe, blah de blah de blah. Let's get that out of there. Let's delete it. And you know what the next step is, right? This industry is presented by Get Her Goodies here. Copy the goodies, paste the goodies, and let's work on her email and her website. Let's link those up right now. Starting with her email, we're going to highlight, we're going to copy, we're going to go to the link page. Make sure that the open link in a new window tab is unselected. You're going to erase that. Mail to, colon, paste, her website. So that's done. Let's link up her website. We will copy it. And we will hit the appropriate button up there. That's the link button. And that's already in there, but let's just do it anyway. www. Paste, just in case there's some minor differences. Let's do it the right way instead of the easy way. That remains checked. Why? Because we want this to link up. Update. That's done. Let's see here. We have LinkedIn, we have Facebook, and we have Twitter. What don't we have? Facebook. So this could go away. Delete it. Let's start with Facebook. Double click. Highlight her URL, her site. We will copy. We will make a link. We will simply paste. We will update. Let's do Twitter now. Twitter. Twitter, double click. Same deal. Right click, copy, go back. Paste. Let's finish with LinkedIn. Close unnecessary tabs. Trim the tree. And LinkedIn. Sometimes you'll find that they don't have a LinkedIn page or whatnot. Maybe it's discontinued. Simply eliminate it on the new transfer sheet. We will copy it. We will paste it. It's not the most exciting work, but it pays well, and you could, be home in your shorts. Practice makes perfect. This is my second day doing it, and, it's at first it might be intimidating, but it's really not that bad. About Jane, let's scroll down. Jane is a blah 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 blah, flower industry, more bullshit filler that needs to come out. Get it out of there. Hit delete on the keyboard if you want, easier. About Dr. Martha. Scroll down and highlight the necessary information. Copy. Paste. And that's what that should look like. Simply mirroring what's here, transferring it right here. Now it's time for SEO. A description of her services, something that should catch someone's eye when they're searching for these services through various search engines, blogs, what have you. What is it? What's hypnotherapy? Well, assisting others in overcoming fears, limiting behaviors, having them feel unsuccessful, unfulfilled, unloved, downward balance is the role of hypnotherapy. Specific assistance and guidance is available for the role of a hypnotherapist. Let's make it short and sweet. Assisting others in overcoming fears and limiting behaviors that have them feeling unsuccessful, unfulfilled, who hasn't unloved, and downright out of balance. And that sounds like a brief synopsis. And this is the role of the hypnotherapist. Let's copy it. And let's paste it. After I'm finished like that, always make sure that you have Business Directory clicked off. That's how it ends up on that page with the blue directory that I showed you on our main business page. If this wasn't clicked, she wouldn't show up there. That's what she's paying for, so we'll click it. Add new category. What is she? It's hypnotherapy. I can't speak tonight. Hypnotherapy. Don't spell it wrong, like I did the first time. Add new category. And we will publish. And we will go to post. Go back to where the posts are listed. Hypnotherapy should be at the top if I did it right. Yes, it is.